Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we are diving into a fun, festive and budget-friendly craft, DIY Christmas pipe cleaner, Wreath design. Just plastic round and some pipe cleaner, and we are going to Wreath as you showed in your picture on your mobile screen. Most easy and budget-friendly and looking very beautiful. Just grab your pipe cleaners, some ornaments like glue gun and now something magical together. If you want full look, double the layer or mix green and red pipe cleaners together. You will instantly notice how soft and festive the texture feel, like fluffy Christmas garland in your hand. Now it's time to bring some color. Character, take a red pipe cleaner and twist them in a spiral pattern. Wrap them diagonally across your green base to create the classic Christmas candy cane look. This step is where your creativity shines, make it unique, make it you. Once your wreath is wrapped and shaped, it's time for the fun part. Decorating, use hot glue and twist piping to attach the ornaments, mini reds, popcorn snowflakes or bows. It's very easy and looking very beautiful. You can also add some ornaments, bright and white, contrast shape, pipe cleaner and decorate. We will show you in picture. Just stay with us. Crafting with your hand is more than just decorating, it's a more form of mindfulness. As you twist, wrap, and design your wreath, you also relaxing your mind, relaxing stress, and reconnecting with the creativity. DIY Christmas project like this help you express, graduate, enjoy, perfect for the holiday season. It's also wonderful bonding activity for families and friends and kids. Now that your wreath is ready, fluff little, adjust the loop and make sure all decoration are evenly spaced. Hang it proudly on your front door, living room, wall or fireplace. Instantly add handmade charms to your holiday home. You can also add Christmas bell on the front of your wreath. So viewers must post your comments how it's look like. Take a ribbon and for your hanging, make some ornaments. Really amazing and beautiful. Post your comments and send your feedback, how it's look like. Red and white ornaments for adding, and some flower add for looking cute and beautiful. After that, you hang it in your home. Hope you like the video. Please must support our channel. We hope you like the video. Share your comments, your thoughts, our work. Must subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.